Ever wondered if AI can build us a game from scratch? In this video, we'll be trying to make the game Pac-Man using ChatGPT and Python. If we can do it, so can you.
In this video, we are going to walk you through how we build this game, the challenges we faced, and of course the final showdown. So, will our Pac-Man survive the ghosts? Stay tuned! Alright, step 1. We need a maze. But instead of drawing it by hand, let's see what ChatGPT comes up with.
This is not bad, but let's tweak it because we don't want the Pac-Man to hit the wall every few seconds, right?
Pac-Man is cool, but he is nothing without ghosts chasing him.
Oops! Looks like our ghost just forgot how to chase the Pac-Man. Let's fix it before it turns into a friendly NPC.
This is all great. Now, what's Pac-Man game without power pellets?
Let's be real. We all love the moment when the Pac-Man chases the ghost bags and hunts it down.
A few moments later.
Alright, moment of truth. Will Pac-Man survive our AI-powered ghosts? Or will we get the game over?
And there is a fun twist. Now we're gonna play the game and we both will be playing the games. If Sandra loses, Sandra will do a dance, and if I lose, I will do a dance. Let's see who wins.
Oh my God. Okay, I want to play that again. I love this.
And that's how we built the Pac-Man game using Python and ChatGPT. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.